This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho with beef broth. First, let's prepare the foundation for our incredibly flavorful broth. Begin by roasting about 2 pounds of beef marrow bones and 1 pound of knuckle bones in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step develops a deep, savory base. While the bones roast, char 1 large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame until they are slightly blackened. Now, let's infuse our broth with those signature pho aromatics. After rinsing the roasted bones, combine them with the charred ginger and onion in a large stock pot. Add about 2 tablespoons of toasted whole spices, including 6 star anise pods, 1 cinnamon stick, and 10 cloves. Cover everything with about 8 quarts of cold water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for at least 6 hours, skimming any foam that rises. With our broth simmering beautifully, let's prepare the other essential components. First, cook your flat rice noodles according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. For the beef, select a lean cut like eye of round and slice it as thinly as possible against the grain. This ensures tenderness. You'll need about 1/2 pound of beef for 4 servings. Also, prepare your fresh garnishes, such as bean sprouts, basil, and cilantro. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious bowls of pho. Divide the cooked rice noodles among 4 large serving bowls. Arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles. Now, carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic beef broth over the beef and noodles. The heat from the broth will gently cook the beef to perfection. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro, basil, sliced green onions, a squeeze of lime, and a dash of hoisin or sriracha sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.